paint. Hey lovelies, it's your girl Swan here bringing you a brand new video. So right now I'm really into painting on canvas, and that video is going to come soon. But this one is a small one and I had extra paint, so I painted the canvas, so like, you know, under painting, and I said, you know what, I'll make a video out of it. It's a small canvas. So the thing is, I'm really into painting food now. I don't know why. Maybe it's my strawberry obsession still going strong. Strong. So let me show you what I had in mind to paint. So this is one of the contenders. There's a strawberry version, but the blues colors in this, it's like, look at that. Oh my god. Like that's it. So let's see if I could transfer something like this here. And oh my god, just now the fan is, right now it's really hot, so my fan is going to be on. And yeah, let's get to painting.
sort of thing, but I don't really know what the fingers look like because I went too opaque. Let's try and mix a brown though for the apron. Green.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna take this off there. Alright, so I'm done. Here it is, I'm done. Hey, 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 I'm done. Hey, I am so proud of this. Like, let's find the reference. Like, here we go. I like to thank drawing waffles for keeping me company. But how do I do this now? There we go. Yeah, yeah. So here, that's right. So here we have the reference, and here we have the painting. When you put it side by side, you can see it's like not photo accurate, but like, do I care? No. If you look at it both side by side, you could see it's the same thing, and that's all I could ask for. I am so proud of myself. Thank you. You know, it really says a lot that I didn't even think about the amount of details. I just saw this and saw pretty, and I wanted to recreate it. So that's an improvement. So thank you, lovely, so much. All right, let me put this on. Right. Refocus. Okay, there you go. So thank you, lovely, so much for joining me around this journey. I tell you, when I reach the ugly stage, it has taken me days to get back into it. All the paintings I've done so far, I've reached the ugly stage and like, I don't want to do this anymore, and I just leave it alone. And yeah, I'm glad I kept with it. I'm really happy with how this came out. Oh my god, look at it. I put like a wash in the back to like, you know, put the background in the back, and I think it helped a lot. What was it? Okay. So what do you guys think of it, lovelies? Would you guys do a painting like this for yourself? I'm just so proud. Anyhow, thank you, lovelies, so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and tell me something. What should I paint? Or what do you plan on painting? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, lovelies, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye. Yeah.